Tonight we want God to perform a surgery, not just on the congregation, but even amongst us, the ministers. Let there be nothing left in us that interrupts God's move. Nothing. We must be dead so that the Spirit of God will find full expression. Oh, kill what is left of me, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Oh, Jesus, kill what is left of thee, oh, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Aya. Kill what is left of me, Aya, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Aya. Kill what is left of me. Yes. Until then,